What up guys, Master Ninja here coming at you live and loud. Today we are talking about, hang on before I forget, the deal. It's the holiday special, so it's Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, yada yada yada, what do you want to call it. Happy Robotica, all I could care. But,
Lord, not Robonica.
I'm talking about Robonica, the holiest 6.5 weeks in the robot calendar.
you know, I've been holding on to this figure for 2 years. Why? Simple. I've been wanting to use this figure in a Christmas video review. So, with that said, wait, where was Pudgy Pig? Hey, Cinema Dan. What, Master Ninja? Have you seen Pudgy Pig? No, I haven't seen that pig. You haven't? Actually, I actually have. I kind of did a switcheroo. Long story short was, the chef guy in the kitchen was cooking this delicious ham. Oh, by the way, it was a good ham. The idiot decided to make a two-parter, don't know why. But he left the kitchen, and you had that Pudgy Pig hit for a while, so I figured, you know what, I'll put the Pudgy Pig in the oven, and I might just take the ham. I mean, honestly, it was delicious. Okay, so with that said, where the hell the toy is at then? Well, go talk to him, see if he hasn't melted the damn toy. I'm not going to talk to him. I stole the ham. I ate the bloody thing. Compliments to the chef. But shouldn't be doing 2 bottles. Especially if it's a cooking tutorial. Welcome back. Hello, I am Chef Danzo. Today we are cooking a traditional holiday ham. And with this recipe has already started on part 1. The list for everything is right there in the descriptions. I can already smell the ham. It smells so good. We're going to go ahead and pull it out of the oven. Shall we? What the? This ain't the ham I put in. Hey, buddy. Yeah. I think that's my... Yeah, that's mine. This is yours? Then where's my ham? And your ham, Cinema Dan ate it. Oh. Can I get my ham back? No? You know what? That's what I say about that. Oh, come on, you didn't have to punch it. What a dick! He punched and threw it at me. Okay. That's it. Theme song.
That Pudgy Pig is the best monster I've ever made. I just can't wait till he defeats the Power Rangers for good.
Alright, honestly, I am excited because I've been hanging on to this figure for a good long time, like I said in the intro. I mean, the box is beautiful. Well, it used to be beautiful until that jackass punched it. But I digress. And I know there was a Hasbro exclusive lunchbox version. This is just the basic retail version that you could get. All around, a beautiful box indeed. Take the box. Let's go ahead and zoom in and get my thoughts on this guy. Me. Alright, so the basic box itself is what it is. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and actually get him off the veil, shall we? Pudgy Pig out of the box. Let's get him on the turntable. I mean, like I said before, this figure is a beautiful piece. All around. I'm actually really happy about having a Pudgy Pig, honestly. All around, the sculpting on its side is fantastic. Articulations, very decent for what it is. So very posable. Very top heavy due to, well, he's all head.
That's what she said.
Comes with a fork and a knife for accessories. Slide those right in his hands. Come on. So yep, he can hold his accessories. Comes with one little electric lightning effect. Something I find is fascinating is his size is really nice. Let's get him off the turntable. Get this out of here. My opinion, like for example, here's a little NECA cola cup I got from the Gremlins review. Num 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 nums. Num 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 nums. Nums. Num 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 num. His mouth opens nice and wide. What? Tongue is very nicely sculpted. All around, his sculpting is a beautiful sculpting. Articulation wise, fantastic. Comes with one open hoof and one closed tooth for a fist. His two holding weapons. All around, a beautiful piece indeed. Size comparison. Size comparison. Mighty Morphin Yellow. So quite a nice size comparison. Num 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 nums. You ate the head off. So yeah, honestly, a little disturbing, but hey, why not? Now can you reenact the scene where he ate the Ranger's weapons though? Let's see if we can eat the Ranger's weapons. Down the hatch. Power Lance. Power Daggers. The lance and daggers will fit perfectly in his mouth. Power Sword. Power Axe. And Power Bow. So yeah, you can recreate the classic scene where he eats the Ranger's weapons all around. Still, a very beautiful figure indeed. So let's go ahead and zoom out and get my final thoughts on this guy. Alright, my final thoughts on the pig. Honestly, this guy is a beautiful piece. You know, before I move on, let's give him a quick size comparison with another Rita monster. Hell, Pumpkin Rapper. Why not? So yeah, he stands pretty decent with your other monsters. Except for Goro because he's tiny. Sad about Goro. They gave us 2 Goro releases and they couldn't make him a little bit bigger. Oh well. So yeah, Pudgy Pig. Do I recommend picking him up? Honestly, you find him for a good price, like 15, 20 bucks. Yeah, pick him up. He's been out for some time. So with that said, this has been the Masked Ninja. Merry Christmas everybody, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you guys next year. Actually, that's a lie. I got one more video into this year, but I digress. Peace.